Hey guys, it's your favorite realtor, Brittany Neely. Today we are in Fayetteville. This particular little cottage is called Trilith. I can't wait for you guys to see it. This particular one, 3-bedroom. Let's go ahead and check out the first one. In here, you can see they have really long doors. Everything's modern. The ceilings, 10 foot. Lots of natural trees, actual real trees near a city. That is unheard of, correct? As you come out, you see this balcony space. I absolutely love this. I can see myself sitting out here in the mornings with coffee, can't you? Bathroom, everything has natural accents with wood and marble mixed up. Standing size shower, great size, may I add. I don't want you guys to miss it. Built-in closet. Yay! Now, when you come out of here, you're gonna have another option to go down to the basement. Everything down there gives you access to the outside, but we'll get back to that later. For now, let's go upstairs. Now in this particular space, living area, this will be the half bath that you'll be sharing with your guests. Very modern, sleek, pushed off to the side. In this living space, I love all the glass and the open space. I love this for entertaining. Can't get any better than this. I mean, seriously guys. This is outside dining at its absolute best. To be so close to the city and have this type of nature, top notch. Come on, let's keep going. Now we're in the modern kitchen. Everything in here, stainless steel, but what I want you to notice is the blue cabinetry. I love that. It's lots of cabinets, but everything is sleek. You see this deep farm sink, golden. It's not a huge space, but it's just enough. For city living, I think you would agree. Come on, let's move on. As soon as you get up here, you're gonna see a full bath, skylights. That's allowing the entire house to have natural lighting majority of the day. Here's a little nook that's also considered a bedroom. As of right now, I believe we've seen 2 bedrooms, so this is the second and the third. Here we are. In this particular space, what I like the most about it is having access to another level of balcony. At this point, we've seen at least 3 balconies in here. This is legitimately a treehouse. Okay guys, that is all for this particular house. I absolutely love it. This is clearly for an investor. I want one of my girlfriends to get this. So if you're interested in anything along these lines, this particular one is coming in at $785. It's only been on the market for a few weeks now. Go ahead and text me, Tiny House or YouTube to 386-956-4210. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, bye guys.